Sneeky back. Real quick one for a Sunday catch-up. So we're going to call this Sunday catch-up. Maybe I'll do it every week. Maybe I won't. Let's see how we get on with it. So anyway, been lots going on this week. An awful lot. Now, bearing in mind there's only 24 hours in the day, I'm surprised I got this much done, to be honest with you. So if you've been watching the videos over the week, you know we started with School OS, well, yesterday and the day before and the day before that. We've been doing lots of other stuff, and some distros and some other stuff. But also, I've been doing stuff with robots, okay? Or programming mainly. So, using Ubuntu Core, I mean, if you've got a Raspberry Pi 3, or Raspberry Pi 0, or 0W, there's a kit called the EduKit 3. I think it's the EduKit 3. It basically gives you all the bits you need to make a robot for around about 20 squids, which is around about $28. And this guy started doing a tutorial using Ubuntu Core. Now, beforehand, I'd programmed this with Raspbian, basically, and Python in that. But what he's doing here is using Ubuntu, or Ubuntu Core, to do it differently so it actually works a bit better. So, here's the stuff here. If you want to go and have a look at what he's doing, go and check it out. Yeah. Next, on this really short one, on a Sunday, Arduino. Yeah, I've got some small boards here, as you know, some very, very small boards. Not done much with them, but now it's time to do some stuff with them. So if I'm going to get this robot on the go, I might need to add some bits using Arduino, okay? Or some boards anyway. Because, you know, some of the little ones are really, really like, they're basically pennies. Basically pennies. Now, they do a web editor here, but I do want you to, you know, pay some money. So if I click on Get Started, you'll see what I mean. So you can go in here and check it all out, and it tells you what you need to do certain stuff and what components you need. But remember, you can buy a lot of this stuff from China now for half the price, literally, because it's all open source. But if you've not used Arduino before, go and give it a go. Get yourself a really, really small board and check it out. Finally, on this real quick one for a Sunday evening, this is yesterday's video, School OS, okay. I may have to change the name. Yeah. Before we get into any stupid stuff, if I go back here, I just searched School OS, and there was somebody doing School OS Core. Okay, from 3 years ago. Whether it's still going, I don't know. But I don't want to get into the nitty gritty of anybody arguing and saying you can't use a name, because I'm not going to patent it at the end of the day, am I? So I'm not really worried about it. So the name of it will change, and I'll change it tomorrow. So it'll be completely different. I've actually done some quite a bit of stuff with it. So, yeah. Also, Ferran from Ferran OS. Should we? Oh, let's go and type in Ferran OS. We've done a little to and fro, okay? Bit of to and fro. So we may actually do a bit of collaboration on this. He wants to do a high-end one, a ready-made distro for autonomous installation, I imagine. My one is basically aimed at key stage 2, okay? I don't know what he's getting into. But we'll probably have a chat over the week and see how we come out. But basically what we've said so far, I will be like the light version, the smaller version, for older hardware only. Because that's what I'm aiming at, is to get that older hardware going. Whereas he's actually going for the more modern hardware. So it should work out alright. End of the day, shouldn't it? Yeah, should do. Anyway. Yeah, so name change is the big thing on the game here. Yeah, super duper. So that was a Sneaky Quickie Sunday update. And that, I have done more things this week, by the way. A lot more things, but I don't want to tell you about them, because that's what I do. Sneeky Linux out. I'll see you guys. Bye-bye.